Should you dropship? So guys, I used Shopify to dropship for 3 months, guys, and I'm gonna tell you guys what happened. So guys, I did $1 a month on Shopify, guys, because they do give you 3 months for $1. So if you guys wanna go try to dropship, go check it out. But for my experience, guys, dropshipping is not good, to be honest. I made money, I definitely made money, but I didn't make as much as I thought I would. I made at least $100, but at the same time, I had to buy the products, which were like $60. So I only made like $40 profit in 3 months, guys. And me, I was consistent. I was posting on YouTube, TikTok, all that stuff, guys. But I'm gonna show you guys why I do not recommend it. So one of the things you guys have to do for drop shipping is you guys have to have the product. So I drop shipped this gun right here for 2 months, guys, and I only got 1 sale, guys. So as you guys have to buy the product. It's $10, right? Let's say you sell it for $20, right? So if you spend $10 on the product, sell it for $20, but you have to pay the product to give it to the guy is another $20. You make no money, if you guys know what I mean. Because how are you gonna show the product out? You have to have money to show the product out, if you guys know what I mean, to make videos about it. Because if you just make a Shopify account without no promotion, you will make no money, guys, no sales. That's all I'm gonna say, guys. So you guys have to get the product, which takes time to come. Everybody's doing this, guys. Everybody goes for the good products. You have to wait for the product to come. You have to make videos about it, and if it don't go viral, you're screwed. If they go viral for somebody else, they're good for them. They make the money, not you. And yeah, guys, just drop shipping is super hard in general, and I'm gonna show you guys why it's hard. Super hard. So here I have one of the TikToks I made. I'm not gonna show the audio, guys, because I do not want to get copyrighted. And boom, these are some of the edits I did for the TikTok, guys. And you see, it got over 12 likes and 200 views, guys. 246 views. But the only bad part is, guys, no sales. You guys know what I mean? You guys get a lot of views, likes, but no sales. You guys have to just get lucky. Look, it's really hard to get sales, guys. Like I said, guys. So I'll show you more videos that I made, and I got no sales. Here is one of my other videos, guys. Just hope it's muted. Yep, it's muted. I started just randomly shooting at the toilet. I just put, imagine not having this gun and just shooting at the toilet. Y'all feel me? But still, no sales, 200 views. How many likes? 11 likes, guys. It could have been 12. So many videos I made. Boom, shooting at the wall. Pretty cool, showing people how cool it was. But still, no sales, guys. It's really hard. And I had multiple accounts. That was not my only account. I had other accounts that did that I made videos on. Like I had a Shopify dropshipping account that I had a shower protector for your phone, so you could watch Netflix in the shower. No sales at all. The only thing that surprised me, guys, I got 1 sale on the cup I made. I don't know what the TikTok account is, guys, because remember, you have to make a new account for every shop, everything you make. Look right here, look. Look, I had 0 sales, right? 0 sales. See, like, this is me, 0 sales, right? And let's wait for it to move. Oh, look, still, I had 0 sales, if you guys can see what I mean. I had no sales at all, guys. So it's really hard to dropship, guys. Super hard. I recommend not doing it. It's, like I said, you have to spend money to make an account, so you might lose money. But if you guys are consistent, posting I posted every day. Look, I barely made views. I posted every single day. So if you guys are consistent, post a lot, have funny viral videos that you guys can make, I recommend doing it. But if you guys do know, you're not gonna become famous. You're not gonna get 1 viral video. I recommend not doing it. I posted a lot. I got no viral videos. Every day I posted. I was so encouraged to do it. Maybe make some profit, but sadly it did not work. Here's my account, guys. I quit it. But yeah, see how many followers I got? 7 followers, 150. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and like. I recommend not drop shipping. Thank you. But I recommend trying it out for the $1 on Shopify. If not, you don't have $1. I recommend not drop shipping at all.